Hi, I am Krishna Prasad Gangaraju. Today I am going to explain in exercise 1.4 third Roman. If you like my teaching, then subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Okay. So, the third question is, in the following equations, find whether variables x, y, z, etc. represent rational or irrational numbers. So these are rational or irrational numbers we have to say. We have to say x, y, z are so and so are rational or irrational. So first one, x square is equal to 7. X square is equal to 7. Here in exponent 2 is there, square. It will go right side means it will become 1 by 2 means square root. So x is equal to this will go that side means square root. Square root or in power 1 by 2 both are same. Okay. So here square, the square opposite square root. So here 2 is there. So two values. One is plus value, another is minus value. But we know root 7 is irrational number. So x is, this is irrational number. So therefore x is irrational number. Second one, y square is equal to 16. Square, right side means square root. So y is equal to 2 means here plus or minus root of 16. You know the value of root 16. Root 16 means 4. So that is equal to 4. So what is the 4? 4 means this is a rational number. Is a rational number. Therefore, y is a rational number. So, third one, z square is equal to 0.02. Z square is equal to 0.02. Here decimals are there. First you remove this point. After that answer will come. So, z square is equal to, here after point two places are there. If I divide with 100, the decimal will go down. So 0.02 into 100 by 100. So multiplication of these two, 2 will come. 2 by 100. Z square. Z is equal to plus or minus square root of 2 by 100. For 2, there is no square root value. Plus or minus. This root is divided into two numbers. So, root 2 by root 100. We can write like this. In multiplication and in division, we can write, we can split the root or we can combine the root. In multiplication and division only, not in addition, not in subtraction. So, plus or minus root 2 is as it is, no value for, but 100 value is there, that is 10. So, this is irrational number, this is rational number. So, overall value is irrational. Is a irrational number. Therefore, z is a irrational number. Z is a irrational number. Third question, in fourth, u square is equal to 17 by 4. U square is equal to 17 by 4. So, u square is equal to 17 by 4 this square will go that side means square root. So u is equal to plus or minus root of 17 by 4 plus or minus this root can be split. We can split that one. Root 17 by root 4 that is equal to plus or minus. For root 17 no value, so that is irrational number, by square root of 4 means 2. So this is a irrational number. Therefore u is a irrational number. Next, w square is equal to 27. Here w is equal to plus or minus this square, that side means 1 by 2 or square root. We can write, we can wish power 1 by 2. 1 plus or minus this 27 means 3 cube is equal to 1 by 2 plus or minus 3 power 3 into 1, 3 by 2 is a, this is a irrational number. No exact, this is no cancellation here. So this is irrational number. Is a irrational number. Therefore w is irrational number. Last one. T power 4 is equal to 256. T is equal to 256. This power 4 that will go means 1 by 4. So in power 1 by 4. So I can divide this 256 into right into factors. So this is the procedure. 256. We have to convert into prime factors. So last number 6 is there. 6 means even number. So 2 will divide. 2 ones here, 2 2s are 4. 1 balance 6 8. 2 8s are 16. Again even number. 2 table will go. 2 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 2. Even number. 2 table. 2 3s, 2 2s. Again even number. 2 1s, 2 6. Again 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s. See how many 2s came? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So instead of writing 256, I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 power 8. So 2 into 2 into 2 into by multiplication all these we will get 256. So T is equal to, instead of writing 256, I am writing 2 power 8 power 1 by 4. So 2 into 8 into 1 means here 1 by 4. 8 into 1, here in denominator nothing means 1. 8 into 1, 8 by 1 into 4, 4. So 2 power, this 4, 2 cancel, 2 square. 2 square means 4. So T is equal to 4. So T is equal to 4. 4 is a rational number. Is a rational number. Therefore, T is a rational number. Okay. So fifth one, rationalize the denominator of the following. We have to rationalize the denominator. What is the meaning of rationalization? Rationalize. The meaning of rationalize is to convert the irrational number to rational number. To convert the irrational number to rational number. That procedure is called rationalize. Where we have to do the rationalization? In denominator. In denominator we have to do rationalize. So in denominator, this is irrational number. 3 plus root 2 is irrational number. Already we did in previous class. So this is irrational number. This should be converted to rational number by following which formula? Here 3 plus root 2 is there. If I write 3 minus root 2, my aim is to convert, to write in denominator as a rational number. So to write rational number, what I have to multiply this number with another number? What number I have to multiply to get rational number? Rational number means without root. Without root, integer, one ordinary number. To get ordinary number means integer, what I have to multiply the number? So which formula is helpful here? So here see, already I told in previous class, here a square minus b square, that only the one formula to get the rationalizing. So here a plus b is there. If I write here a minus b, if I write a minus b, then a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square will come. A square minus b square will come. So 3 square 9, square root cancel, plus 9 minus 4, 5 is answer. So what is 5? This is a rational number. So here irrational number is there. To convert this irrational number to rational number, I have to multiply with 3 minus root 2. Means here a plus b is there. If I multiply with a minus b, then our answer is a rational number. I think you understand this one. Okay? So here a plus b is there. If I multiply with a minus b, the answer is a square minus b square. That root will get cancelled. That result is rational number. Here a plus b is there. I have multiply with a minus b. If here a minus b is there, then I have to multiply with a plus b. So you remember this one. So this is the procedure I am. So here 1 by 3 plus root 2, rationalize the denominator. We have to do the process in denominator. So I have to multiply with 3 minus root 2. Where? In denominator. So in denominator I require 3 minus root 2. To equalizing, I have to multiply in numerator also same number. So multiply and divide with 3 minus root 2. Here plus symbol is there. So I am writing minus symbol. If here minus symbol means I will write plus symbol. As it is number. No change. Multiply and divide with 3 minus root 2. So 1 by 3 plus root 2 into 3 minus root 2 by 3 minus root 2. This 2 will get cancelled. This is our required answer. But I required here. Here this is required means we have to multiply in numerator also for rules and regulations. So 1 into 3 minus root 2 means 3 minus root 2 here a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square formula. So a square minus root 2 square b square. So what formula we are using here? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This formula we are using here. So 3 minus root 2 by 3 square means 9. 2 square root cancel 2. So 3 minus root 2 by plus 9 minus 2, 7. In denominator we are converting to rational number. So rationalize the denominator. Therefore, after rationalizing denominator, one by 3 plus root 2 is equal to 3 minus root 2 by 7. So this is the answer. So second is 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Here also same, what I told in previous question, they also same. So multiply and divide with what number? Here a minus b. So I have to multiply with a plus b. With root 7 plus. Here minus is there, here plus. So multiply and divide with root 7 plus root 6. So 1 by root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6. Here 1 into z is that is equal to root 7 plus root 6 by a minus b into a plus b. Root 7 square minus root 6 square. So that is equal to root 7 plus root 6 by square root will get cancelled 7 minus square root get cancelled 6. So root 7 plus root 6 by 1. In denominator for 1 no value. So simply I am removing that 1. Root 7 plus root 6. Therefore 1 by root 7 minus root 6 is equal to root 7 plus root 6. These both are same. This one same. But I am here in denominator the irrational number is there. That irrational number is converted into numerator. Okay. So third question is 1 by root 7. 1 by root 7. Denominator root 7 is there. To get this is irrational number. To get here irrational number, what I have to do? Our required answer is irrational number, rational number. Here irrational number is there. If I multiply with root 7, what is the answer? Root 49 means 7. So to get rational number, I have to multiply with the same number. Here only one term is there. Whereas in previous questions, two terms are there. If two terms are there, I am using a minus b into a plus b formula. But here only one term. Simply I will multiply with that number only. My final result is to get exponent as integer. In exponent, integers are there, then that number is called rational number. In exponent, fraction is there, that is called irrational number. I already told you. So here I have to multiply with root 7 to get rational number. So multiply and divide with root 7. 1 by root 7 into root 7 by root 7. So 1 into root 7 means root 7 by root of 49. That is equal to root 7 by 7. So in denominator rational number is there. Therefore 1 by root 7 is equal to root 7 by 7. I am converting denominator to rational number. So this is third question, fourth one. Root 6 by root 3 minus root 2. Same procedure. In denominator a minus b is there. So I have to multiply with a plus b. So multiply and divide with root 3, here minus is there, I have to multiply with plus root 2. So root 6 by root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2. Root 3 same number, I have to multiply and division. I have to multiply with division same number. So in numerator, root 6 into root 3 plus root 2. In denominator, a minus b into a plus b. So root 3 square minus root 2 square. Here that formula. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So I will multiply this thing with root 6. So root 6 into root 3 plus root 6 into root 2. So root 6 into root 3 plus root 6 into root 2 by square root will get cancelled. 3 minus square root will get cancelled 2. So into symbol, I already told you, you can write single root. Root 18 plus here also root 12 by 1. Here for 1 no value. In next step, I will remove this one. So is there any square root value for 18? No. Here also no direct value. But I can split this 18 into two parts. One part should be square root value. If I write, if it is possible, I can write like this. So here, instead of writing 18, I will write 9 into 2 or 6 into 3 like this. In these two, which is better one? Here this is 9 into 2 is better because 9 has square root value. 9 has square root, but 6 no square root. Here also 3 no square root. So 18 I can divide into like this. 9 into 2. Here also 12 I can write 6 into 2, 4 into 3. Which is better? For 6 no square root value, for 2 also no square root. But here 4 has square root value. So I can write 4 into 3. If there is chance, we can write like this. If no chance means, simply we can leave it as it is. Here chance is there. So instead of writing 12, I am writing 4 into 3. In denominator 1 is no need to write. So root 9 will come outside means 3 root 2 plus here 4 outcome is 2 root 3. So this is the conversion. So after conversion, final answer is root 6 by root 3 minus root 2 is equal to 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay. If you like my teaching, then subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Okay. Thank you for watching.